Hello, everyone. You'll see what's needed as we go along. First, let's fry some onions. Right away, we add the sausage. Now we are frying the onions along with the sausage. We wait a bit, maybe for half a minute. As soon as this golden color appears, we immediately add the next ingredient, tomatoes, a few slices, also diced. And then we're going to fry all of this together with the tomatoes. The smell is already so good. All of this, a little bit. We'll fry it. We won't add salt because I've already salted the eggs that I was mixing together to make an omelet. Added salt and pepper. It's all to taste. Now they'll fry a little, the tomatoes, and we'll pour in the eggs. Such a beautiful yellowish color with fragrant pepper. The pepper I used wasn't ground, but I took the peppercorns. I just crushed it and added it to the eggs. It's much more fragrant than store-bought ground pepper. This is how beautiful everything turned out. The omelet is almost ready. Now we do this. These are herbs, parsley, but this is not the secret ingredient just yet. Well, something like that. And now, the secret ingredient, there's nothing secret, it's just grated cheese. This is the final touch, the recording cutout. And now we cover it all with a lid for about 1 minute. Guys, let's see what's in there together. Look at how beautiful this is turning out. The cheese has completely melted. Turn off the heat. This is the kind of omelet we're having for breakfast today. Thanks, everyone. Give it a like if you like the omelet. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Try cooking it yourself. Bye.